Hi, boys and girls. For this activity, you're going to listen to me read the story. Then, your job is to put the pieces of the puzzle in the correct order. Get your listening ears on. My family took a trip to the ocean. We got on a boat and sailed away. When I was swimming, I saw an octopus. He didn't hurt me. After we ate lunch, I wanted to swim again, but there were jellyfish everywhere, so I didn't get in the water. Instead, I went to shore to dig for seashells in the sand. Okay, boys and girls, can you move the pieces of the puzzle around and connect the pieces to tell the order of what happened in the story? Don't forget to take a picture on Seesaw.